Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Today is our first full day, our second day of our vacation, and we're gonna go to Volcano Bay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So, where are we going? Volcano Bay is in walking distance, and we have to go through the Aventura Hotel, so we're gonna pop in for our breakfast here.
I need caffeine. Oh my god, the lens is all foggy, so that whole shot's gonna be ruined. We're making our way down to Volcano Bay, and I couldn't be more excited because some of my favorite YouTube vlogs are from this water park.
Let's check it out.
Ooh, the Tunnel to Volcano Bay.
Well, there's no sign, so let's assume this is it.
Could be the tunnel to the bathrooms for all we know.
Let's go.
It would appear as if we have arrived. I love a little escalator ride. We made it. Oh, look at that.
It's very unassuming.
We have no idea where we're going. We don't have a map. But we're just kind of enjoying it for the moment. There's Cabana Bay. And the volcano. All right, so we chose a spot to sit down right next to dancing dragons.
There's none in this.
Yeah, there isn't. We're cruising already. So fast. Got me a little bit.
This might be what we do all day.
Not a very lazy river because it's so fast and you're constantly avoiding being sprayed.
We're on a circle.
And we're back where we started. I think we're gonna do one more lap. I just rode Tonga.
Like the Tiki Tonga.
Like the Tiki Tonga. It was fun. I liked it. This is the Blue Hawaiian. It's Malibu coconut rum, pineapple juice, and some blue stuff. Also came in this souvenir glass. So if you're over here at the Dancing Dragons bar, get yourself one.
How is it?
Oh yeah.
Excellent.
It's good.
Excellent.
So it is good, but it came with a paper straw, so I got to take off a few points for that because, you know what, I'm going to add some points because it encourages you to drink faster so it doesn't dissolve, and there's nothing wrong with that.
And then it tells you when to come back and ride it. So you just pop.
All right, so apparently the legend of this theme park is there is a fearless river. It's like a thrilling, lazy river. And we have walked all around the park and can't find it, so stay tuned.
Ooh.
So right now we are trying to find the Fearless River, and we're going the wrong way. Shocker.
I don't think it exists.
What is it with us and theme parks and not getting like a map?
Well, you can't have a paper map at a water park.
Yeah, that's true.
A few moments later.
All right, we did it. We found the volcano walkthrough. Backside of water. The backside of water. Okay, so we came back to where we are sitting down because we walked all over the park and can't find the Fearless River anywhere. And there's really only two things I can take you guys on, and those are the rivers. And it'd be kind of a bummer to not go to the
Let's ask.
The thrilling river, right?
The last thing I want to do is ask somebody for directions, but we might have to.
Yeah. That's the Fearless River. We walked all of that.
I love walking around.
We love to walk.
I love it.
Tons of cabanas here if you don't mind spending $750 or whatever it is. I'm priced out. I don't know about you.
Sun's coming out.
So there are several spots from the park from which you can see the Fearless River, and we've seen it. Nobody's been in it. I think the reason nobody's in it is because they can't find it.
Seriously. This way. Almost there.
And I'm in. It's already crazy. It's already a lot. I can see why they make you wear a vest. So I want to give a quick review of the Fearless River and start by saying it's one of my top 3 attractions at Volcano Bay for sure. It's fast, it's thrilling, and definitely worth getting lost looking for. One thing to mention though, be careful with your feet as I scraped mine real bad, right about here. That was a lot of fun. Tapu Tapu was saying it's time for the Krakatoa. Fearless River was great, but I scraped the ever-living hell out of my foot.
Fun.
All finished with the water coaster Krakatoa. It was a good one. I liked it. I almost lost a contact lens, but I liked it. All right, we've stopped at the Feasting Frogs for some nachos.
I'm a feasting frog.
All right, all done with food. Since we are having a very long evening, we're gonna go do some lazy river stuff for a while and call it a day. Alright, so that does it for Volcano Bay. It was a lot of fun. First time being there, so I can't complain. I had a great time. We're leaving a little bit earlier so that we can go down to City Walk, because we've never been, and just go see what the shops have in store for us. Baby,
What?
we go to the Hard Rock Cafe.
The Ard?
You don't look excited.
Why'd you bring me here?
You ready?
Is this it? Is this the house? And I was like kind of wondering the same thing. I was in the same thing. And I turn around and I go, is this the house? And I go, I'm not ready for one. She's like, neither am I.
What are you looking at? What? This is so cool. Babe, we have to go to Borgin and Burke's. We have to go inside Borgin and Burke's. All right, so we're about to do Halloween Horror Nights for the first time.
Well, we started off rough. They send you through a house right when you get here without any warning.
Yeah, you can't come here without going through a haunted house to get here.
And I wasn't ready. Not mentally or emotionally prepared for that. And neither was the girl behind me.
That's very true. Either way, that's it for this video. We're signing off, and we'll see you next time. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to keep up, because tomorrow's video is gonna be much crazier.